Hello everyone, welcome to Everyday English Bites and the very first episode of our IELTS Mastery series. If you are planning to study, work, or migrate abroad, you have probably heard about IELTS, but what exactly it is and why is it important? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It's the world's most popular English language test for higher education and global migration. Part 1, Types of IELTS. There are two types of IELTS tests: academic IELTS for those applying for higher education or professional registration, general training IELTS for migration, work experience, or training programs. Part 2, IELTS Test Format. The IELTS has 4 sections: listening 30 minutes, same for both versions; reading 60 minutes. Academic and general have different texts. Writing is for 60 minutes. Two tasks are given: a letter or report plus an essay. Speaking for 11 to 14 minutes. Face to face interview. Part 3, Band Score System. You are scored on a board scale of 1 to 9, with 9 being the highest. Most universities accept a score of 6.5 to 7, while for PR or residential job purposes it depends on the country. 4. Why is IELTS important? Whether you are dreaming of studying in the UK, working in Canada, or settling in Australia, IELTS is your passport to global opportunities. That's a wrap on our first episode. In the next video, we will dive into the listening section and share powerful strategies to boost your score. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Thank you so much.